Welcome back, Spain, to your Crib Data Science channel. First of all, a big shout out to what we have here. The 3 people who viewed this video yesterday. Hey, thanks so much. I appreciate those 3 views. Before we get started, I do a favor to ask that you click on that share button. Share this video on your Facebook and your Twitter account today. You can also, of course, click on that same share button and copy and paste the link to this video into an email or a text message today. And that way you can share it with your friends and family today, okay? Let's get on with the show now. I'll just remind you that Spain only records cases and deaths, does not record cases of deaths Saturday and Sunday, but instead adds Monday's number, Saturday and Sunday's numbers on the Monday's numbers. So you can see what we have here. 4.1 million cases, 81,000 and change in deaths. A downward decline in mortality rate generally means that the ratio of cases to death is increasing. But you can see here that we're getting a very strong spike in COVID-19 cases in Spain for some reason. You can see for July the 16th, you had 31,060 cases. For the 7-day period ending July the 14th, you were averaging 28,889 cases per day. But the good news is deaths are continuing to fall. So for July the 16th, you were averaging 12. You had 12 cases or 12 deaths. For July the 13th, for the 7-day period ending July the 13th, you were averaging 18.1 deaths. But if you look down here, you can see this huge spike up. This just doesn't make any sense to me. I mean, how do you go from here to here in 3 weeks? That just does not. That's over 15,000 cases for a week. Could these be some sort of corrections? You know, maybe they miscounted the cases over here and they added them onto here, which is, of course, what the U.S. state of Ohio did. Let's come down here now, because you can see we're not seeing a spike in deaths. You can see this continued downward trend in deaths here, okay? What about monthly cases? Well, monthly cases, well, you know, it's not particularly good. It was the highest number of cases in 5 months, okay? What about deaths? Well, here's the good news. 1, 2, 3, 4. So far, you have a 4-month decline in deaths. There's a good chance that this will be July of 2020 will be the 5th month in a row when deaths when COVID-19 have fallen in Brazil. I'm sorry, in Spain. Anyway, Spain, thanks so much for your time today. Hey, don't forget to click that share button, share the video on Facebook and Twitter. And you can also, of course, click on that same share button, copy and paste the link to this video into an email or text message, and share it with your friends and family that way. Thanks so much, Spain. We'll catch you tomorrow with an updated report.